Welcome to the Reteno channel. In this video, we'll show you how to use one from many message block. This block sends the best one from all messages with specific tags. The main purpose of the block is to understand what option is the best. At first, the block sends random messages to gather performance data. After a few thousand messages are sent, the algorithm starts to prefer the messages with higher click-through rate. At the same time, the block considers the message's previous performance and the last messages sent to the contact to select the best option. This block can be considered a continuous A/B test that improves performance with every message sent, providing the best possible click-through rate for the given set of messages. If you have any idea about a better version of the message, just mark it with the tag, and the one from many block will give it a try. Let's consider how this block works. Adding tags to messages. Open the message in the editor, find the tags field, and add the necessary ones. Setting up workflow with one from many block. The one from many block participates in workflows like any other message. Open or create a workflow in the automation workflows section. Drag the one from many block from the left sidebar into the workflow. Choose a media channel and specify the application. The name of a mobile push app or Telegram bot. Include variants with tags with which messages will be triggered. Exclude variants with tags so that the block does not trigger them. We recommend implementing a persistent tag like excluded or stopped, and then adding it to low-performing messages to stop their sending. The check for sending or excluding messages occurs every time the message is sent. The numbers next to the tags indicate the number of messages with those tags. Create a tag in the message editor in advance because it cannot be created while editing a workflow. Send only in specified hours. By default, daytime hours are set for all organizations from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. to avoid bothering contacts with messages at the unsuitable time and postponing the campaign until the allowed period. To quickly preview or edit the messages included in the block, click the preview icon in the field with the number of options filtered by tags. Configure the launching workflow conditions and activate it. Analytics. To investigate the message's effectiveness, go to the Campaigns Report section and enter the tag in the search field or click on it in the report list. To manually stop a message with low performance, add a tag specified in the block's exclusions, for example, excluded or stopped. The one from many block helps you A/B test different messages in your workflows and simplifies the process. There is no need to create separate workflow branches for each message or channel option, which significantly reduces the time for preparation and subsequent workflow adjustments, and the probability of making a mistake when changing the message. If you have ideas for improving messages, add a new option to the block settings with a few clicks and watch the result. There is no need to edit the workflow and run A/B tests separately. Also, the block diversifies communication in trigger campaigns. If one workflow launches several times for the user, we recommend diversifying the messages so that one customer doesn't get the same content for training or lesson reminders, abandoned carts, and views. We recommend regularly adding new messages to achieve better results. To replace, upgrade, or discontinue a lower performing option, just remove or add the appropriate tag. Thank you for your time and see you soon.